Lesson 8. It's getting down to the wire. Now, we've gotten to this point. Maybe you already had this question. What do I tweet about? First of all, you should be tweeting things from your website, right? How to get paid. So go to your website, look for the words there, right? Like what makes sense to you? What haven't you said in a while? How about this? Bad debt happens to us all. You know, that's a good thing to tweet. You've already written so much. If you're publishing, if you're publishing on your website, on your blog, or in this case, I'm using a soul site, you have the words, you know? If you're having trouble thinking about the words, what should you be saying and when, I have a tool for you, another download, a worksheet called the Effective Content Marketing Planner. And if you use the discount code YouTube, you will get 20% off. So you will also be added to my newsletter. How cool is that? So it's a pretty good deal, and it's going to go through and show you and prompt how you can plan out your blog content and the social media in between. But basically, other than that, you should be tweeting from your website, okay? Use hashtags that make sense. If you don't know, look, if you don't know what the hashtag is, don't use it. I know these, so I'm using them, you know? And I have another video you could watch about hashtags or links. So that's bonus material. I mean, if you watch all the videos I have for my marketing advice and tutorials, you have everything that's in my brain that's paying the rent. So, right? Okay. But also you should be sharing things from your peers and your friends and the people that are talking to you. So let's go to these notifications. They wrote us back. Contact us at our website or email us. And I'm going to say will do. All right, now I am interested in this, so maybe I'll go and look and see if they have something I can share. Voice shopping for WooCommerce. Okay, let's see if they have anything. Scalable artificial intelligence solutions that help marketers optimize conversion rates, increase revenue, and reduce operational costs. That's cool. What if your chatbot could recognize when a visitor was experiencing friction, then speak up and suggest if it could help? Okay, so I'm going to do the old school copy paste. Since I'm on their profile, it'll say that. It will automatically put that in. Don't be afraid of a carriage return or an enter. Space is good. Tweet. All right, go back to our Twitter account. So there's our pinned tweet, okay? And this is our retweet for today. This is something we said today. This is another thing we said today that's not about a link. Here's another tweet from an hour ago. Suggestions for people to follow. This is yesterday, right? Okay, let's see if we can find somebody else. Now, if you're not sure who you should retweet, or if you're not already reading somebody's blog, you know, that's different. So I know that Warren has a book, okay? So, and we have a special together right now, okay? But he is talking about this usability from Jacob Nielsen, a famous Dutch usability expert. So I could open this and read it, right? And say, how to find, This is the article to give your boss or anyone else who doesn't have much time but needs to know basic usability facts. Usability is a quality attribute that assesses how easy interfaces are to use. Okay? So what if I want to tweet this out? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch this. Quote, paste, Jacob, how'd you spell his name again? Nielsen. Then I'm going to copy that link, paste it. Now, I'm not specifically retweeting Warren, but what I'm going to do is give him a hat tip. That's H/T. Hat tip Warren, because you don't want to be that person who is sharing content you found from somebody else and not giving them the courtesy of the credit for doing the one who curated, right? So then I'm going to also put UX for usability, user experience. All right? And I'm going to click tweet, which is out of the frame, but you'll see. So we have something. Okay, let's refresh. So it's been 6 minutes and we have tweeted 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now, I cheated a little bit because I did read this article earlier. And as a bonus content, I know you love your bonus content. I like to shorten links with bit.ly.com, bit.ly.com, sign up for an account, or use another link shortener, because if I were going to copy paste this, it wouldn't copy paste it correctly. But that is enough for this lesson. I'm so proud of you. Now, your homework is to tweet 3 times something from your website or YouTube channel or like that, or one of your original ideas. It doesn't have to link to your website if you don't have one. Tweet something from you, something from 2 of your friends. So you'll have 3 tweets, and a third of them go back to you, and that's a great best practice. All right, after you've done that, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.